Hello everyone. Today we will continue learn about more things in the house. Here we go. 洗面奶，洗面奶，洗面奶 facial cleanser. 沐浴露，沐浴露，沐浴露 shower gel. 洗发水，洗发水，洗发水 shampoo. 护发素，护发素，护发素 hair conditioner. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.